Sergio Salamero, live from the studio, bringing you the latest news of the hour. Few years ago, a cataclysm happened at Diliman Hillside, where a mudslide occurred, hurting and killing residents. Here's Jessamine live from Diliman Hillside, bringing you more detail. Jessamine, how's the condition there?
Carlo, it's a real mess out here. Just a little while ago, a huge wall of mud and stuff came crashing down the hill, sweeping away homes, businesses, and trapping a lot of people. The emergency crews are rushing in, but it's still a very dangerous situation. And now, here we have our eyewitness.
It all happened so fast. I couldn't believe my eyes. 1 minute everything was normal, and the next, the mud was just pouring down the hill. I've never seen anything like it. It was like a big brown wave. I don't know what happened to my neighbors, and I'm just hoping they are all okay.
Thank you, Jessamine. Mudslide is truly a devastating phenomenon, killing and harming anything that's come its way. That's why we should be prepared, as things like this can happen anytime. We have here something that will teach you what to do before, during, and after a mudslide. Please watch this video and enjoy.
Here are the things to do before, during, and after a mudslide. Before any disaster strikes, it's best to prepare a go-to bag that has the essential things like the foods, water, flashlight, the medicines, the batteries, and especially the first aid kit. These essential things will help us survive and prolong our survivability in case we are put in danger by the disasters like the mudslide, for example. Another important thing is making sure you have enough knowledge before a disaster happens. You can do this by searching or watching any news articles regarding a certain catastrophe. During the mudslide, the only important thing to do is evacuate immediately. You can also inform other affected people and make sure to take any pets or livestock with you if possible. Also bring your go-to bag. After a mudslide, take a look at the infrastructure of your home. Look for any damage and potential hazard prevent further problems. Lastly, and also something very important, is you need to clean your environment, as you might not know what kind of harmful things the mudslide brought, and those might cause future damage not just to you but also to your loved ones. Take note and always remember that disasters are something that is not predictable, like the mudslides. We should always be careful and alert at any given situation, because we never know when can this disaster strike and bring harm to us. Doing this has been extremely fun and knowledgeable to us, so in the behalf of our group, we would like to thank all of you for watching, and we hope you learned something and enjoyed.